welcome back to my channel. I just want to sit down and see if you can relate to this because this is how I felt when I started my online business. I didn't know what I was doing and it felt like I was spinning with my wheels. And it wasn't because I wasn't trying to work really hard, it was because I was solving the wrong problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a recurring income business by solving I need to fix this now problem with a simple digital product or service and a framework that I'm using. YouTube to attract people, AI to create faster, and Skool to turn it into consistent monthly income. Therefore, I don't have to worry about complicated funnels, no chaos, just a simple solution done with consistency for problems people must solve. So I can build, or you can build, a multiple income stream that gives you more time and more flexibility. So here is the common pitfall. Most people overthink this. They are overcomplicating everything. They get stuck on tech, the gear, the platform, and the setup, instead of focusing on the simple basics. And the number one secret to success in this is simplicity plus consistency. A simple operation based on first principles executed consistently can generate more income than you have ever imagined. So let's get started and start with step number 1. Identifying a burning neck problem to solve. This is the foundation of any successful online business, is to solve urgent, must-fix problems a lot of people make when they're trying to build something that's cute or fancy or nice to have, but that is not what we want. We want the opposite. You want a problem that people are desperate to solve. I call this the bleeding neck problem, and here's what I mean. A bleeding neck problem is a problem that people cannot ignore. Not an option, it's not maybe later, it's a must-solve problem. And when you solve a must-solve problem in a simple and effective way, your product doesn't need convincing. It sells itself. Now here's the good news. Fighting these problems used to take forever. But today, with the use of AI and ChatGPT, you can find them faster. For example, you can literally open up a browser, a web browser, type in chatgpt.com, and then type list 50 bleeding neck problems people would pay $100 a month to solve. And that one question can save you weeks of guessing, and it forces you to focus on what actually matters. Number 2, leverage your skill and your experience. You already know what you're good at, and you probably already know what results you can help people achieve. Your job is to connect the dots. Take your skills and match them to the bleeding neck problem you want to solve. So, for example, I wanted to help 1,000 beginners learn how to make a recurring income online using AI, Skool, and YouTube. Expertise and the problem lined up, you can deliver real value. And you can get going real fast. Step 3, focus on delivering a specific result. This part is huge. People don't buy vague promises, they buy the outcome. So instead of saying, I help you get in shape, say something like lose 30 pounds in 90 days or get visible abs in 6 months. Specific results are easier to understand, easier to believe, and an easier way to market. Step 4. Build a recurring income module. You want your customers who pay you month after month because you keep helping them get results. So here's an example. If you had 1,000 people pay you $3 a day, that's $90,000 a month. And at this point, it isn't the number, it's the point of stability. Reoccurring income gives you freedom because you're not starting at zero every month. Step 5. Use a simple Skool framework. Here's the ecosystem: attract, convert, deliver, get results. First, you attract. You use YouTube videos and shorts to bring your ideal people by talking about the burning neck problem. Then you convert them and give them a clear offer that promises a specific result. Then you deliver by using Skool with your product or your course or your coaching in a community-driven way. And finally, delivering results, because when people get results, they stay longer, they pay longer, and they tell others. Now let's give you a real-world example. My mentor uses this exact same system. He has won the Skool games and has generated up to $150,000 per month. And he says the focus was never complicated. It was always the same. Help people get results, build recurring income, and keep it simple and stay consistent. And you might be thinking, well, how much does this take? You can start with just 2 to 3 hours a day. Then you can turn your business that pays you more than a traditional job and lets you work with people you actually enjoy from anywhere. So let's recap what I just discussed. Keep your business module simple. Be consistent. Solve a burning neck problem. Deliver a specific measurable result. Use AI to identify the problem and streamline your process. Use YouTube to attract people. Use Skool to deliver the solution. And build a recurring income. And if you do these things, you're not only building an online business, you're building a system that solves real problems and pays you month after month. Now, if you are wanting me to help you pick your bleeding neck problem and turn it into a simple Skool offer, drop the word problem and I'll give you a few ideas that fit your skills and actually works. Stay tuned for the next video as I have more good things coming to you this way.